BB Naija lockdown. Smoking weed makes me forget my sorrow. Nengi reveals deep secrets. Nengi of the BB Naija lockdown house reveals details about herself. Nengi has revealed that she smoked weed to help her forget her sorrow. She was talking to Tochi today about the hard life she has had. Tochi is not the first housemate Nengi has confided in concerning her humble background and boyfriend issues. This time she was talking to Tochi about wealth and humility. She said, "There are some rich people that want you to be yourself with that no forming or anything like that. I have seen rich people that make you comfortable. I don't want to be with somebody that does not love me for who I am. That's why whenever I meet someone, I always let them know that this is me, and if they are not cool with it, then." The BB Naija lockdown housemates were discussing rich people who were humble, and Nengi slipped into a relationship talking again about how she couldn't afford to embarrass her boyfriend because he changed her life and he made her who she is now. According to Nengi, he allowed her to be who she truly was and made her a priority in their relationship. She said, "We can go into a store and this guy will not get anything for himself, but he must get something for me." On smoking weed, Nengi admitted that she was a regular marijuana consumer but had to stop because of certain health issues she had. In her words, "I used to smoke weed because it makes me just forget just everything, all my sorrows, but I had to stop because of ulcer." Every day in the Every day is a different revelation in the BB Naija lockdown 2020 house. Wow, these guys are so interesting and I'm enjoying it. I'm sure you guys too are enjoying it too. Please leave a comment in the section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.